Hello everyone, welcome back to Emstine TV. In today's video, we are going to be answering a question which was asked by somebody somewhere, and that question goes to Nigerians. They asked, why do Nigerians have such long names? And I'm wondering why they have long names, although other countries in Africa do have long names as well, but this question was asked particularly to Nigerians. As a result of the questions, there were so many answers. So many answers were derived from this question as from different parts of Nigeria. That is from the three parts of Nigeria, that is from the northern part, the Yoruba, the Igbos, all of them, they gave the explanation for the reasons behind the long names. And there is one of the names that we are going to see. And if you are watching this video of which you are a Nigerian, please try to help us with the meaning of that longest name in Africa. It is the longest name in Africa. So thanks to my returning subscribers, you guys are all the best. Thanks for the continued love and support. And if you are new to the family, please do consider subscribing and turning on your notification bell. Why do Nigerians have such long names? We need samples for what a long name looks like. That is, we need an example of a long name. As we go, we are going to see it. But I guess these things are subjective, and cultural context often introduce bias anyway. That is it. We are going to get from different sources. So to be blunt, Nigerian names are a variety of length, and some of course are longer than others. Nigerian names are mostly tribal names, and these must have meanings usually reminiscent of tribal roots, family history in honor of the bearer's religion. For the latter, depending on the tribe, there is always going to be a term of God in it. One reason the names look long. For Yorubas, Oluwa is a term for God. A name could be Oluwanyinyi, Oluwandemilade, Oluwampa Milerin, Oluwatosi, Fehinto Lowa. All of these names can be shortened and mostly are in everyday conversations. For Igbos, Chukwu or Chi is a term for God, and so it goes. A person could bear the name Chukwudi Belu, Chukwudi, Chukwu non Nyerem, Chukwu Budikem, Chukwu Nchektakam Gum, Chukwu Mam, Chukwu Chi Tagum, Chimamanda, Chukwu Nyerem, Chimo Rugo, Chiwete, Chidindu, Chimeze. This principle is nebulous in most Nigerian tribes. The Southerners also have their term for God that is almost a constant in all names. Tamunu, Ija, Ongene, Ose, Isam, Oritze, that is, it's sacred. In summary, the religious factor among Nigerians is one strong reason why the names seem long. Family history also is another, where a person comes from could be attached to the name they bear as usually a prefix to the actual name. These also are the cultural practices of honorifics being given as born names to children. Please pardon my manners for the pronunciation. The pronunciations are a little bit difficult, so I have to manage it. The names are essentially phrases or sentences. That is basically why some names mean God knows best, life is worth, give greater than worth, and basically any phrase that serves as blessing or guidance or more. There are short names like music, gifts, river. So those names are translated into the local languages, and it makes the names to look longer. There are many by the name of Godfrey, Godson. I know someone with this name and his middle name is very long. I won't even attempt to spell it because I can never remember and know can I pronounce it. So those are testimonies from different sources confirming that Nigerian names are always long, and they are giving their reasons why these names are like this. In northern part of Nigeria, relating names with God servant, that is Abdul, contribute to the long names like Abdullahi, Abdurrahman, Abdurrazak, or sometimes relating it to father or mother like Baba Kura, Baba Gana, Mama Gana, Yakankuru, Yana Kura. Names in northern Nigerians are also related with events or seasons like Kilishi, Bamani, Naminji Yawa, Chiwake, Damina. As a Nigerian, I speak for my people. Those names you call long are expressions of our thought, and these long names carry meanings behind them. The Yoruba name Oluwaferanmi means God loves me. The Igbo name Chukwuebuka means God is great. These names are what we are, and we are proud of who we are. Yes, that is it. So the question goes thus. Please, if you are watching this video and if you are a Nigerian, help us with the meaning of this name. It is the longest name ever in Africa. The name goes like this. Please don't mind my pronunciation. Ovuvuvuemvue onyetenvuemvue ogbemugbem osas. So please help us with the meaning of these names in the comment sections, and everybody points of views are highly appreciated. Let's move on to see what other peoples have concerning the long names of Nigerians. So despite all the pronunciation, this principle in most Nigerian tribes, the Southerners also have their term for God. So every part of Nigeria have their terms and their names of God in their local languages. That is what keeps some of these names very long, and to pronounce them is always difficult. If you are not a native of this land, to pronounce this name, you have to do it time and again for it to be able to come out clearly. So in summary, the religious factor among Nigerians is one strong reason why the name seems long. Family history also is another, where a person comes from could be attached to the name. Where you come from, they could name you, and that name is meaning where you come from, as usually a prefix to the actual name. There is also the actual and the cultural practice of honorifics being given as born names to children. This practice is quite popular in Nigeria. The names are essentially phrases or sentences. That is basically why some names means God knows best. God knows best, to translate it in some local languages, will be very long sentences. That is why some of these names are very long, as explained by people who are from these localities. Life is worth is another name which can make a name to be very long. Gift greater than worth. Gift greater than worth is already a sentence, and it is a name. Imagine if it is being translated into the local dialect. How will it be? It will be a very long sentence, and basically any phrase that serves as a blessings or guidance or more, there are short names like music. Don't forget to share your own point of view as concerning the longest name in Africa, which is from Nigeria. Thanks for watching. If you do like the video, please do us a favor by consider subscribing and turning on your notification bell. Till next video, stay blessed. Love you all.